Human excretory system. The human excretory system encompasses several vital organs, including 1. A pair of kidneys. 2. Ureters. 3. Urinary bladder. 4. Urethra. Kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped, dark red in color with a slightly flat appearance. Each kidney measures about 10 centimeters in length and 6 centimeters in thickness. They are located just above the waist on either side of the backbone. The left kidney is positioned slightly above the right. One side of kidney bulges outward, convex, and the other side is indented, concave. The indented or concave section is known as the hilum. Hilum acts as a route of entry and exit of blood vessels, nerves and ureters of the kidney. Urine generated in the kidneys constantly flows through the ureters and accumulate in the urinary bladder. Internal structure of kidney. Internal structure of kidney. A longitudinal section of kidney show three main regions, the external cortex, the central medulla, and the innermost renal pelvis. The granular structure of the cortex arises from the numerous nephrons. Both the cortex and medulla made up of masses of tiny tubes, the nephrons. The renal medulla beneath the cortex consists of several cone-shaped structures known as renal pyramids. These pyramids align with their broader ends facing the cortex. Approximately 1 million individual nephrons can be found in each kidney. Structure of nephron. A nephron is a functional unit of the kidney. Each nephron is a tubular structure closed at one end and open at other. It comprises of four main sections: the Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubule. 1. Bowman's capsule. It is a thin-walled cup-shaped structure. It is situated in the kidney's cortex. It encompasses a hollow internal space that extends into the tubule. Inside the capsule is a mass of intertwined blood capillaries known as the glomerulus. 2. Proximal convoluted tubule, PCT. It is situated close to the Bowman's capsule within the cortex. This segment appears dotted when viewed in a cross-section of the kidney. 3. Loop of Henle. It is U-shaped middle portion of the nephron. It is formed by the thin descending limb and a thick ascending limb. The descending limb is lined with flattened epithelial cells and ascending limbs is lined with cuboidal epithelial cells. 4. Distal convoluted tubule, DCT. This is the end part of nephron lined by simple cuboidal cells.